Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Acer Chromebook. So let's see here. Right, so here we have it. We get the laptop and we get some manuals. Some more manuals. Good to have. And of course, the charger. So let's take a look here then. Here we got it. It doesn't look very premium, but that is sort of expected. And we get this Chromebook, Acer Chromebook. Okay, let's just start it up then. So as we can see here, it's full HD. But okay, let's check the keyboard first. Yeah, the keyboard doesn't feel that great, but we will, sort of see to it later on. But let's plug it in. Okay, so let's plug in the charger. I noticed it's USB-C, so that is perfect. Oh, fuck. Okay then, let's see if we get something here. Okay, we get the Chromebook. So these are famous for having great battery life, performance. They don't need a good processor to be a good performing. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, what the heck is this? Let's just accept. And honestly, I haven't been using Chromebook very much in my days, so this will be an interesting experience. And I will also do a review of this later on. Okay, took some time to load up. Let's use it as a guest. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. Alright, load time was kind of long. I also just noticed that the speakers aren't really that good. They have basically no bass, and if you wanna watch videos and listen to music, this might not be the best computer for that. Okay, so let's go through the settings. Is there anything we can see here that is interesting? Store management, 1.8 gigabytes available. So this is not something you store data on, obviously. You only use this to browse the web and to write emails, write documents. 1.8 gigabytes, that's enough for documents. So yeah, this is definitely a computer you use only for work, only to browse the web, only to write documents. Let's check out the camera. Yeah, okay. I mean, if you like fast browsing or you like a fast computer which open apps quickly, this is not it. But of course I will do my review later on. I had to plug in the charger to use it, even though it had 83%. Okay, notifications, keyboard, night light. Otherwise I feel like you got what you need here. It's just not very functional if you want to use normal computer usages. But if you are only browsing the web, if you're only writing documents, writing emails, browsing online, this will do just fine. So, this was my unboxing of the Acer Chromebook. I will see you in the next video. Bye.